What if your Fujifilm could capture memories like a disposable camera? Not perfect. Not clinical. Just real, soft tones, missed focus, and that warmth we used to get from a disposable camera. This is the Retropia lens, a tiny, disposable-style lens that changes everything. It strips away the sharpness, the polish, the perfection, and brings back that dreamy imperfection we didn't know we missed. Suddenly, light leaks feel beautiful. Motion blur feels alive. Every shot feels less like a photo, and more like a memory. It's not about megapixels, autofocus, or specs. It's about the feeling, that nostalgic glow that reminds us why we started shooting in the first place. These images were taken on a Fujifilm camera with the Retropia lens. No edits. No filters. Just moments, imperfect, fleeting, and real. Because sometimes, the best photos aren't perfect. They're the ones that feel like a memory.